Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about 3 light filtering technology products. So the first one is an oil, and I like to use it every day. Vitamin E oil, and it helps slow down aging process. It helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and it helps keep the skin youthful and glowing. So the next two are makeup sticks, and you know how much I love makeup sticks because they're time manageable, they're fast, and they're easy. So the first one is Revlon Photoready Insta Filter. And it's an instant skin retoucher. And you can use it all over the face as a concealer or touch-up purposes. I already put on primer. The third product is an illuminating stick, and it's by NYX. It can be used on the cheekbones, on brow bones, on cleavage, and it plays with light. It's another light filtering product, and when the light hits a bright surface, it makes it look well defined. So I'm gonna be putting on this. And I'm gonna put so this is my sponge. I'm gonna put on a little finishing powder. And it's by Black Radiance. Okay. And then my lip. So this pencil is a macro contour dual pencil. I like to put some pink. Before I forget, let me put some mascara on. And this is from MAC. Let me show y'all how it looks. So this is my finished look. This is how it looks with my hair put back. So please like this video and subscribe. Thank you.